Okay, Raphael's got a little surprise in his. What do you got in yours?
Sprinkles!
Alright, they have some squash, and I put Brazil nuts in Raphael's with cinnamon, toffee stevia. So it's going to be really, really good. And sprinkles. And they're gluten-free, but they do have sugar in them. And this is Abigail. She's got a little toffee stevia with the squash and cinnamon. You ready to eat? Okay. So, do you see something that looks a little strange? Does it look a little strange? Do you see what we're looking at now? Yeah.
Gray, white, black.
For some reason, this is supposed to be brown and colorful, and it is just not. Everything's in black and white. Oh, look, even this. Even this is in black and white. There's no color to my computer, except there is color when I turn it on. Abigail's supposed to be taking a nap right now. I can tell that's happening. She probably waited to get in there so she could poop her pants. So anyway, Raphael stepped on this side of the keyboard and it changed colors. Okay, should you ever happen to do that, here's the fix for it. The Windows button, Control, and C at the same time. So, dun, dun, dun at the same time, and it'll turn it. And you can even do it, you know, back and forth. Turns color filters off. That's pretty ridiculous, but yeah. Hey, she just woke up.
Wow, you turned it colorful. Hooray, Mommy.
Yeah,
You did it.
hooray. Yeah, Spiderman.
Really, really good. I can see some colors. I can see some colors. You did it.
Yeah.
Everyone can watch TV.
She loves Spider-Man, I guess. You love Spider-Man? Mwah. Mwah. Or you just want to eat his eyeballs off? What do you want? You want kisses? You want kisses? Mwah. Okay, thanks.
You want to eat his eyeballs off? His eyeballs can't get off because his eyeballs are plastic.
Yeah.
They're plastic, okay? Just like
Mwah.
that.
You want this on? You want this on?
Hi! I think somebody's grilling out their yard, like that big house, because there's smoke up ahead of us.
Oh no, that's a cloud right above. Looks like smoke. That's true. What are we doing?
We're walking to the Beluga.
No, I'm gonna go to the grocery store.
It wasn't going to be a long time. We're going to come back in a minute.
Yeah, he told Mommy we're gonna be back tomorrow. Going to a grocery store does not take that long. I feel sorry for this guy. Feel you. I feel you.
Oh, a car.
Rafael.
A car broke accident
Yes, it did.
on the engine.
Yes, it sure did. Get on my side. Sure did.
Yeah, there was a car accident
Can't hear you.
on a, what do you call it? On
What?
a sidewalk. At some
He
kind
drove.
of grocery store. And
He drove to the side, so no one backs.
What?
He put a car at the side. You don't get hit with the sidewalk.
Whoa.
He drove it there afterwards.
He drove it to the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What you got?
I got 2 bags of diapers, and I'm strong with it. Super strong.
With it.
Yeah. See? I'm holding my kitty. That's my arm. And I'm holding it.
You gonna be able to go downstairs here?
No, not fast.
They haven't had this thing on. The fountain, it's just not been on. Where are you going now?
We're going to the car.
What car?
Ours. We're going right here for some reason.
What's that truck? Van. Hi, kitty.
It's not ours, it's filthy.
What about this huge van?
Oh yeah, it's not ours. We're not going to it.
It's enormous, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's big like a whale. It's huge. That's why I call it a beluga. Beluga is a type of a whale. This is the beluga. What do you think about it?
Really good. I wish we could be in there with a lot of people.
Yeah.
Actually, is this your work truck? Looks like it.
My work van.
Oh, is it your work van?
Yeah?
Wow, how did it get parked here forever?
I'm a good parker, I guess. Parkist.
You're the good parker.
So,
What?
would you like to take a ride in it?
Yeah?
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Oh, this is so big.
Alright. You can sit over there in the other seat. I have to drive it.
You know what?
Look how tall you are, though. Man.
I'm so ginormous. I love it.
You
I
do?
love being up here.
Yeah?
Well, let's take a drive.
Alright, first you gotta put your seatbelt on. It's right there. Uh-oh.
Yeah, Kitty wants to take a ride too.
Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah, this is a really hard
It's
seatbelt.
right here.
Coming for it. Is it in it? Ugh. Ugh.
Alright, does it feel good to be tall?
Yeah.
Look how tall you are.
I'm so tall.
In our huge truck. I mean van. In our huge van. Awesome. Oh,
Awesome.
scary.
It's going to be fun to go somewhere in a van.
Alright, now it's time to go in the back seat because this is not legal.
I like being in the front seat with you.
I said it's not legal, which means you're not allowed to. So we'll move you in the back, but it's okay. It's going to be an awesome ride.
With?
So, how do you like it?
Very good.
Yeah, do you love it?
Yeah.
You can stand in the van. Stand in it.
Here, go around here and see in the trunk.
You can crawl under there to the trunk. It's very
No.
tall. Yeah, you can crawl in there. See you there. And when I say trunk, I mean
I
trunk.
love being in the trunk while you're driving.
No, well, that's not allowed.
Well, I'm going to hold on to something. Like this or this. Or the seats.
Yeah, it's so big, isn't it?
Yeah. Really big. Really big space for your people.
Yeah,
For one seat.
for a lot of equipment and people. Alright, let's go say hi to Mommy, since she made us really good food, didn't she?
Yeah. And then where are we going?
To bed.
Bye. See you there.
On the way to Miss Belmont.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, how you doing? So, I'm making Daddy an ultimate omelet. He's already had his ultimate salad that Raphael finished. And Raphael's eating some of his own creation.
Is that good?
Yeah. With bacon bits.
What are they made of? What's your bacon bits made of, Rafael? Soy.
Soy.
Sweet. Okay, so we got spinach, bell pepper, and onion.
How many eggs is that?
6.
For one person? Who's sharing?
Raphael's getting a little bit.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that looks good.
So salad and
So what's in it?
I don't need any, Mommy.
I just said. And I'm gonna put some
Spinach?
yeah,
Tomato?
spinach,
Onion?
bell pepper
Oh, okay. So it's almost like shakshuka.
and onion. It's not gonna taste like that.
Well, of course it's not.
No tomatoes.
Not tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Beep, beep, beep.
Burp, 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 burp.
Haven't
Yeah,
been
it's
BBB in a
sticking.
while.
BBB is probably my favorite burger restaurant here. It's
Haven't
really
had any
good.
else?
It's good.
What
I
about
like it.
black?
No, it's not as good.
Really?
And it's more
good for me,
expensive
I love
and pretentious. So, no. Yeah. BBB is like a hometown hangout, eat a burger and drink a beer.
Cool.
Yeah, this is not my good cast iron for eggs. It sticks.
Looks professional.
My good cast iron is my little one, but I think you took that one to America, so.
Could have possibly. I don't know. It took like 50 pounds.
I think
worth
you
of-
took it, because I was like, yeah, I'll just give it to him now, because I won't use it, because I have this little one. It's this one, which we're throwing away when we leave here, because it's Teflon, but, yeah.
Well, thank you very much.
Oh, you're very welcome. So I'm going to put some cheese in here, and then it'll be done.
Boom.
Ultimate omelet. Ultimate.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. FoolyLiving.
Mog is my favorite cat in the world.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What about Daddy Kitty?
Yeah, own the cats.
Oh, I know.
30%, and I had the interference, so as soon as I said that, it shut me out. It shut me down. I couldn't do anything with the controls or anything.